Hello everyone, my name is Jawad Jamal. Today I will be presenting some of the most critical environmental challenges we face both locally and globally: climate change, air pollution, waste management, and more. I will also highlight three solutions that can help us to create a more sustainable future. Introduction. In this presentation, we will explore four major environmental topics. First, we will look how climate change impacts my region and the world. Then, we will examine two common air pollutants, the current state of waste management, and finally, some common climate myths and the importance of ozone protection. Let us begin. Climate change in my region. Where I live, Saudi Arabia, climate change has brought higher temperatures, more frequent sandstorms, and water scarcity. Summers are getting longer and longer and more intense, putting stress on both people and infrastructure. These effects are becoming more noticeable every year. Global climate change effects. Globally, we're seeing rising sea levels, disappearing glaciers, and increased extreme weather events like hurricanes, wildfires. Climate change is not just an environmental issue, it's a health, economic, political one. Every region is affected in many different ways. Air pollution. Two major pollutants. Solutions include transitioning into renewable energy sources like wind and solar, moving away from fossil fuels and into alternative fuels, improving energy efficiency, reforestation, and implementing climate smart agriculture. Globally, agreements like Paris Climate Accord aim to reduce emissions. Locally, we can take part by reducing our carbon footprint and supporting green policies and green fuels. Effects of air pollution. In my area, the two major pollutants are PM 2.5 particles from dust and vehicle exhaust, and nitrogen dioxide from cars and power plants. These pollutants are common in cities and industrial zones, just like Riyadh and Jeddah. Waste management in my community. PM 2.5 particles can enter lungs and bloodstreams, leading to respiratory diseases, even heart issues. Nitrogen dioxide irritates airways, worsen asthma. Air pollution also harms wildlife, crops, and contributes to climate change by trapping heat in the atmosphere. Importance of waste management. Effective waste management is essential for public health, pollution prevention, and sustainability. Poor waste particles can pollute air, soil, and water. They also contribute to greenhouse gas emissions, especially methane from landfills. Climate myths. In my community, waste management is improving, but still lacks proper recycling system. Many recyclable materials go to landfills, and there are limited composting. A more organized recycling system, public education, and investment in green infrastructure could help greatly. The ozone layer role. Two common climate myths are: climate change is just a part of the natural cycle. It's too late to do anything about it. These myths delay action. The science shows that human activity is the main cause of current climate change, and it's not too late if we act fast. Conclusion. The ozone layer protects us by absorbing most of the sun's harmful UV radiation, while the ozone hole has improved thanks to international agreements like the Montreal Protocol. Protecting it still remains critical for health, agriculture, and ecosystems. Call to action. To wrap it up, Climate change, air pollution, and waste management are interconnected challenges that require action at every level, from individuals to even governments. We all have a role to play in building a sustainable future for our children. And it starts with being informed and making small but meaningful changes. References: